You can find them in the market. When you're buying, make sure you buy lid-free towels, so that they don't stain, or rather leave particles inside the system unit during the cleaning and after the cleaning. So let's keep wiping, clean this. So let's connect back our cable, and then we slide back this part. Get our cleaning foam again. And this time around, we will keep cleaning it. Keep cleaning all these other parts. Just to confirm, we need to see that the interior part is all clean. We need to confirm. That the interior part is all clean without any dust visible. So we can get our blower again and blow off the remains in case there is. Mind you, when you're blowing, make sure that you don't blow using a lot of force. Don't press the trigger constantly. Just keep pressing while you're losing, pressing while you're losing, pressing while you're losing, so that you give space or room for the particles to disappear or be blown out. So let me cover this. Let me cover this. And also we clean the exterior part. Oops. I'll fold this towel. And then clean on the top side. So let's put that aside and then go to this front cover right here. That needs also to be. So for this we need to cost you put some too much foam so that they can penetrate those holes. And then we are blowing so that we can dry the foam. And clean our floor that we are using. So now that we know that this part is clean, we can just put it back, or rather assemble it back. It has these 3 holes that hold the cover, so we just align it directly to the cover, and then align it directly to the cover and then fold. Then ensure that the locks are fitted in very well. So we get our extra other cover side, and it also needs some cleaning. Oops, see how dirty the tiles have become due to a lot of dust. So we can't use this, it's too dirty. Let's get a cleaner one, which is this one.